That's Larry right there. And we got Slick Rick, another action van. Oh, it's all action vans right now. I got the Well-Tech in the back. Slick Rick. This is Larry's van from Action Van Suspension. The OG in the industry, hang out with us. The cool thing about Larry is he could get his company to build him a 12-inch lifted 4x4 conversion, and he's running a modest van build, no sick add-ons, just a light bar there. He's running a limited slip, bowl for moto. There you go, Action Van Suspension with Fox 2.0s. You look at the inside, very simple, nothing extravagant. It's like he's one of us. So really cool he came out here. Also answering some questions here for people wanting a lift kit. And there he is right there. Say hi, Larry.
Hey, what's up?
And there's Moto. Checking out all the vans here. DIY 4x4, two-wheel drive right now. America. Yeah. And there's the man, Mr. Action Van Suspension Larry. The OG. Yeah, buddy. Woo.
Larry.